Hi, my name is Tamara, which is short for Tamara Saluluk. I'm from Nigeria and I'm currently studying the postgraduate diploma in human resource management. So I've been studying here for like a year now, since 2022, January. First of all, like the people here are like extremely nice. I like the fact that they have like a lot of resources for international students. First things first, studying at CNC is so relaxing, if that makes sense. It's very relaxing. Like when I come to class, I don't really stress myself too much because I know that, okay, anywhere I'm failing at, like the lecturers are very helpful, right? They try to make sure you understand your classes. If you don't understand this, feel free to come to my office, like set appointments. So I actually like that. Learning here is very flexible. It's not difficult. I just believe as long as you use the materials provided to you, it's easy. So when I first came, it was so difficult getting a job. And yeah, so I sent my resume to 2 lecturers actually. They showed me, oh, this is not right, improve on this, do more on this part, right? And it was very helpful. Like, I think with the knowledge I've gotten so far, yeah, I feel more confident, especially with like interviews, right? So I just started with like the human resource field like last year, but like the knowledge I've gotten, when I go for an interview and like they ask questions, like it's so easy for me. So I'm like, okay, this is just what I got from like learning in class, right? As long as you pay attention in class, you ask questions, like the lecturers are that flexible that you can actually go to a lecturer's office and like talk to them and like they make it easy for you.